The Global.asax file is automatically created when you create a new ASP.NET Web Application project. Global.asax contains event handlers that are related to your application and user sessions. Global.asax also contains an event handler that runs whenever an error happens anywhere in your application. By using Global.asax, you can intercept every error that happens on your site. There are other event handlers in Global.asax that can also be useful. To begin this lesson, open the Smart Methods Store sample file from your Sample Files folder. And open Global.asax. Here you can see the automatically created event handlers. Application Start runs when your site is started by the web server. Application End runs when your site is stopped by the web server. Application Error runs whenever there is a server error on your site. Session Start runs when a user arrives at your site and starts a new session, and Session End runs when a user's session ends. You learned about sessions in Lesson 3.12. The most likely use of the Session Start and Session End events would be to log details of users when they arrive at your site. You can also add other event handlers to Global.asax. There are many other application events that Global.asax can handle. A useful example is the Application Authenticate Request event, which runs before any page is served to a user. Some programmers use this to implement their own custom login systems when they have special requirements that go beyond the built-in security features. Next, we're going to add an error page to your application. The default error screen that appears in ASP.NET is not very nice to see. Creating a page to display in case of errors is good practice. First, add a new web form using master page named error.aspx. Now, add the following code to the main content area. H2, something went wrong. Paragraph, we're sorry, but something went wrong with your request. If you continue to have problems, please contact support. Now we'll add some code to Global.asax to redirect the user when there is an error. Open Global.asax now. Now add the following code to the Application Error event handler. Response.redirect ~error.aspx. Note that you can also set the default error page in the ASP.NET configuration utility. You may have noticed the option when you work through Lesson 9.2. Setting the error page in the ASP.NET configuration utility is very easy and convenient, but Global.asax allows you to do more than just redirect the user. as you'll see in Lesson 12.3. Finally, we'll test the redirection code. View default.aspx in your browser. Now replace default.aspx in your browser's address bar with QQQ. This page does not exist, so we expect to see an error message. As you can see, you are automatically redirected to your site's error page, instead of being shown a standard error. Close your web browser now, and close Visual Studio. You've now completed Lesson 12.2, Handle Errors with Global.asax.